Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you have seen in the thumbnail, we'll be drawing mushrooms. That's it. No, I'm just kidding. So, today we'll be drawing mushrooms. Hold on a second, let me show you. So, I got inspired and then I went ahead and finished these in 2 days. So the reason why I draw this is that, one, when Asian kid, when we were young, we used to have this sort of mushroom haircut, those haircut. And this is just me looking back at my own childhood, and all of these activities are somehow those things that happened in the past throughout my life. For example, these are just like gardening stuff. My mom, she loves to garden. She loves gardening. She has her own tiny little garden right in front of the house. And also these two are my favorite. These are literally me. I can actually get drowned in coffee every single day, and when I just vibe to my own, favorite music, this is my face. And second of all is that I love eating mushrooms. Even though the doctor says I can no longer eat that much mushroom as before due to high uric acid, but I still do in a tiny amount. And yeah, that's the reason why I came up with this idea to draw mushroom, and I named these small characters the Shroom. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I painted these two. This one right here, and the one that is drowned in coffee mug. The brush that I was using is peppermint, and then I proceed to the sketch part, and the line part is actually done with peppermint. And the color part is done with the gouache brush. So without any further ado, I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.